This is Camp Noah. And this is the tree that's over 800 years old, and that tree branch fell. It's Orange County hecklor tree.
How old is the tree?
Over 800. Sarah.
Sarah who?
Cow.
Let's go.
Those are the chickens that go to the fair. All those chickens out here. They're almost inside. Everyone's feeding. This one's... No. This goat's Tinkerbell. This one's Tinker, this is Juliet, and that's Jessica. That pig's Babe. The black one over there is Pork Chop. This is Dakota there. And then that's the only sheep, and it's Irish. Then there's the girl, is the black one, it's Daisy, and the boy is black and white behind it. And that one is there. And then these are all the chickens, ducks, geese, roosters. Hello. In here. Look at Dad, there's a rooster right there.
It's quackers.
Then there's some behind here. Oh, there's where all the ducks are. These are the baby chickens that hatched from people that brought eggs home, and then they hatched them and brought them back to Camp Noah.
Wow.
And then over here, these are the two chickens that are really nice, that are allowed to go in the coop over there. They haven't had names yet, but they plan to name one Shiny, and I forgot what they're going to name the gold one. And two Chinese silky chickens hatched. See? There's one right there, and then the other one's on the other side. Black and orange. There's another bunny. You get to hold it, baby bunny, if you want. Again. Yeah, because I see. Here's a bunny.
They're so close.
This one's a bunny, and then, is it in here? No, here he goes in there, but he's getting neutered because he made it up with the one that had these bunnies.
I like these.
Okay.
Hold this.
Sarah will let me hold one. Thanks, Sarah. Oh, I love that one. He's got spots on him.
This one is a, Daddy, this one's a beat up chicken. This one is, I don't know what that one is. This one's little one. This one, I don't know, I think it's cotton. And then this one was the one that had the babies. This one is my favorite, and doesn't that, it's Flopsy Mopsy. And this one is Marshmallow. And these are the two Chinese silky chickens. There's a baby and there's a baby. Then over here,
Go get the bunny.
there we have the ponies, and there's a horse over here. There's Cotton, the white one. Cotton is the white pony. Maggie is the brown, blackish one next to it. And then the only horse is the brown one and black one right there. Then Poncho is this one.
Horsefly.
And then here's Jim Bob. This one's Jim Bob. This one's Maggie mine.
Let's keep the flies off.
That's Cotton, yeah. These are the fly masks to keep the flies off their face. That's Cotton. Back there is Sparky, because he's scared of the other ones. Like if they say nanny, nanny, he'll run away. And then Maggie's a pig.
What?
She is. That's what they said.
Did you eat so much?
Yeah, she's always hungry. That was Poncho over there. And then there are all the goats eating.
What's the pig's name again?
Babe, and then the black one over there is Pork Chop. Then O'Neill parks on the other side of this gate where I went to hike today.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. And that's Jake, one of the leaders.
Oh, look at the pig. Oh, I gotta get a picture of the pig.
And the pig's in the mud.
Look at that. He's having a great time, right?
He's half and half in. Oh.
Did he shake?
No, I haven't seen him shake.
Good. I wonder if he shakes when he gets out. Okay.
And that is Camp Noah. There's the bathrooms, and over there is the park.
Well, we'll walk over there. Are they trying to escape?
Come on. That's Allison and Dunley.
Okay.
And then the girls and boys' bathroom is over here.
And where's that? Say the parts, the horses over there?
Yeah, fillies are girls and colts are boys. And then I'll try to do it without looking.
Okay.
Okay, how do I do that? This is the forelock right there. Cheek and muzzle, yes. Throat, latch, neck, shoulder, elbow, chest, forearm, knee, hoof, cornet band, cannon bone, chestnut, barrel, flank, dock, croup, back, withers, back, croup, poop. And that's hawk, Gaskin, quarter, high. And then right here is the tack room, but it's closed.
What else is there?
Nothing really.
What's back here?
The peacocks, a male and a female, 2 females and 1 male.
Do they ever get to come out? Or they...
Come over here, Daddy. No, I don't think so. Look it. That's what Mommy needs. See, that one's on her eggs.
Oh, yeah. Mom's seen that, I guess, too, right?
I don't know. I forgot. I think she did.
Ooh, there's corn over there, huh?
And then there's the whole garden. I'll show you. There's a door, too. See, it has corn, flowers, and the weeds are gone. Strawberries, I think. Scarecrow. And then the sign says, weeds gone. And the corn stuff. And then there's sunflowers, I think. No. I don't know what those are. Woo! There's a lake here, too.
So let's go eat or something.
Oh, and then there's tomatoes. All right, let's go eat then.